Good morning, everyone. You've probably heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But what if I told you that what you eat for breakfast could make or break your energy levels, focus, and even your fitness goals? That's where high-protein breakfasts come in. In today's video, we'll explore some of the best high-protein breakfast options that not only taste great but also keep you fueled throughout the day. And, of course, everything I'm sharing is backed by nutritional science. So, let's dive right in. Before we talk about food, let's understand why protein is such a superstar in the morning. Protein helps repair muscles, supports your immune system, and keeps you feeling full for longer by slowing digestion. Studies also show that having a high-protein breakfast can curb your cravings later in the day. So, if you are trying to stay healthy or manage your weight, this is a great place to start. 1. Eggs, the classic protein hero. You can't go wrong with eggs. They're one of the most versatile and complete sources of protein. A single large egg has about 6 grams of protein. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, you pick. Want to level up? Pair them with whole grain toast or avocado for healthy fats. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt isn't your regular yogurt, it's packed with double the protein, around 10-15 grams per serving. Layer it with some fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a balanced breakfast that tastes like dessert. Bonus, it's rich in probiotics for gut health. 3. Protein smoothies. Short on time? Blend up a protein-packed smoothie. Add your favorite protein powder, a handful of spinach, frozen berries, almond milk, and maybe a spoonful of peanut butter. You've got a breakfast that's quick, portable, and loaded with 20-30 grams of protein. 4. Cottage cheese with fruits and nuts. Cottage cheese is a protein powerhouse, with around 14 grams of protein per half cup. Add some sliced peaches or pineapple, sprinkle some walnuts, and you've got a delicious combo of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. 5. Tofu scramble for plant-based lovers. Who says you need eggs? If you're vegan or just want to try something new, a tofu scramble is a fantastic option. Crumble some tofu, sauté it with turmeric, black salt, and your favorite veggies. It's high in protein and tastes amazing. 6. Oatmeal with a protein twist. Love oatmeal? Let's make it high protein. Cook your oats with milk or a plant-based alternative that's high in protein, like soy or pea milk. Stir in a scoop of protein powder or some Greek yogurt. Top with nuts and seeds for extra crunch. Now, here are a few simple ways to boost the protein content of your favorite breakfasts. Add a spoonful of nut butter to your toast or smoothie. Sprinkle chia seeds or hemp seeds, they're tiny but pack a protein punch. Use high-protein bread or wraps for your sandwiches. Swap regular milk for protein-fortified alternatives like soy or pea milk. While focusing on protein, don't forget to avoid sugary cereals or pastries that give you a quick energy spike but leave you hungry an hour later. Instead, aim for balance, protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. And there you have it, some of the best high-protein breakfast options to kickstart your day on the right note. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to work, or just trying to stay energized, these ideas have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a breakfast upgrade. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to high-protein breakfast? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.